Namaskar. This is Dr. Janvi on Gut Matters by Rishiri. We are here to uncover your gut offenders. Today, let's talk about something we often overlook: nail paint. That glossy coat which we actually love, but it might be sneaking chemicals into our body. Most nail paint contains formaldehyde, toluene, and phthalates. These chemicals, which make them look very shiny and long lasting. And when we eat with our hands, we cook food, or we bite our nails, tiny traces of these toxins enter our system. Over time, these chemicals can disturb our gut microbes, they stress the liver, and even weaken our digestion. This will reduce our immunity. If you love nail colors, try switching to something that is non-toxic nail paints, which give your nails a breather. And if possible, you keep your nails without nail paint for some time, because what touches your nails often finds its way to your gut. I've seen parents, paint their child's nails out of love and pampering. But you're doing a big mistake. Children often suck their thumbs, bite their nails. This means that these nail paint chemicals are easily entering their body. Love also means protecting. So avoid this small but a very risky habit. If painting your child's nail is something you truly can't skip, here's a small tip. Avoid painting the nails of the right hand, that is, if you eat with your right hand, and avoid painting the nails of your left hand if you eat with your left. This reduces the chances of chemical ingestion when you eat or you cook. And remember, it's just not the polish. Nail paint removers also often contain acetone and harsh solvents that dry out your skin and allow